In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can edit audio on CapCut PC. So let's dive right in. From your desktop, you can open CapCut and we are here in home page. You can open new project and click on this import to import some of video. I'm selecting this and I will open this one. So it's an audio file. You can drag it to timeline. Here it is. Now, if I play it, in the right upper side, you'll find here some of options like basic, voice changer and speed. We are in this basic. From here, you can change its volume, like increase or decrease from here. You can also add some of effects here like fade in or fade out from this basic step. And then if you scroll it down, it will give you this some of more options like loudness normalization. It will help you to normalize the volume if the original audio volume is loud. And you will also find here this option to enhance voice. Scroll it down, here you will get this some of more options like noise cancellation, vocal isolations. So if you want to remove noise from your audio, you can simply click on this noise reduction. In just one click, it will help you to remove noise from your audio. So if you open this voice changer, you can find here these some of voice filters where you can change your voice into these effects like energetic, electric, sweet and many more. If I select this energetic, it will automatically apply to this audio. It will also give you these two options more like voice character and speech to song. And then if you open up this speed, here you can able to decrease or increase the speed of your audio. So that's how you can edit audio on CapCut PC in just few easy steps.